Whew. Magic.
Yeah.
Where you going, boy?
I'm gonna go blow my nose. You got another one here.
Yeah, I use that for the inside.
Okay. You want me to make coffee?
No, I don't want no coffee.
I do.
Okay, well let me know when you're done.
Oh, the bars are separate on this one.
Yes.
That's right. Long way.
Come on. There. Well, who's the other one?
That has to go sideways again. Ready?
Yeah. Bring it down.
Well, guys, let me introduce you to Last Chance. We bought this baby from a dealer. For us, we did overpay, but she's beautiful, and we wanted to get something that didn't need any work. We didn't have to fix anything, and we could just go. We did take her to Oklahoma. We still got Oklahoma road grime on her and stuff. So we got home in the middle of winter and it was too cold to... So hopefully in a few weeks we'll be taking her out camping. We do have a few things we want to do. She definitely needs a good cleaning. And look what came with her. Coolest.
Got the air on today in Wisconsin.
Do ya? Nice. Yeah, it is for middle of March. It is pretty warm out today. The J Series Sport by Jayco, the 10SD. So we graduated from an 8-foot to a 10-foot. It's getting warm in here with that furnace going. So the furnace.
Oh yeah, I'm burning the tanks off.
That furnace works really good. Yeah, we got a furnace, we got a refrigerator, we got everything in this baby. Got a nice stove, which we'll be doing most of our cooking outside, but nice to have a stove.
2 heaters.
Yeah, we got our furnace, built-in furnace, and then we got a diesel heater for backup.
And one dishwasher.
We got 2 dishwashers.
One.
And one thing I love about this one is these curtains.
Action.
All we gotta do is roll this baby down for privacy, and then we just roll it back up. It's so easy and so nice. Ooh, look at this.
Well, condensation.
Yeah.
There ain't no drip. That's
No, it's
condensation.
not a leak. You can tell because there's like a zillion little droplets there. Let's see, do I have a rag in here of any sort?
I got me a pothole there.
Oh, that'll work.
Go lick that pot there. You do. How you gonna have that?
Yeah, it is warm in here. Now this is the bed we sleep on because it's bigger, although sometimes if we have a better view from this one, like a lake view or something. But this bed is smaller.
Bah.
But it's still big enough for 2 people. Plenty. Yeah, come with that fancy little storage pocket and everything. So,
Well,
just can't wait to give it a cleaning. It's a little bit too early yet. Unfortunately, in a couple days we're supposed to be getting a big old snowstorm. So, we just wanted to open her up, take a look, see if we did any damage when we shut her down in the winter so quick and hurried.
there ain't no damage.
No, we just got a little tear in the canvas. That's
Oh,
it.
here on the nerd.
We got the nice lights. Yeah, she is really nice. Spirit pulls are really nice. Pulled her pretty good. But now we got a performance chip, so should be able to pull her a lot better.
And the only sway was doing 80, so
Yeah, it would only sway at really fast speeds.
that was slow.
And we've got a ton of storage here.
A ton of diapers.
This one, nice cabinet. This nice cabinet. And this great big cabinet. I'm going to have to put some shelves or something in here because that's a lot of wasted space. And over here is another nice deep, can't see it, nice deep cabinet. And that is, what is that there?
That's your fuse box.
Fuse box. Okay.
That's where you plug your vibrator in.
Nice little dinette set. Just perfect. And if all goes well, guys, we'll be taking you on a camping trip beginning of April. And we're hoping to go to Kohler Andre State Park on Lake Michigan. We'll just have to wait and see. Things don't always go as planned.
What you with me?
Yeah, especially with us, as you guys should know by now.
That's something falling off on the outside here.
I mean, falling off.
Look at that black strip on the outside. Right now. You don't see it?
No, I don't know what you're... Oh, yeah, I see what you mean. No, it's just folded under.
Oh, okay, I know what that is. Yeah, come back here.
Yeah,
Oh, what do you want to do? Take a break and close it up, or?
yeah. Now this is where we put a hole to install our diesel heater, so we will be taking care of that as well.
She is.
I'm putting the sink down right now.
Put the sink down.
Let's go. Pop these up here. Y'all done?
I just gotta stick these in there. Okay.
So much easier when it's warm.
Yeah.
Oh, did you?
Oh yeah, I can't.
I get this all figured out. How to do it. Well, flat in, push it in.
Yeah, fold the corner like this as easy as you can. Flat and neat.
Just neat.
That went in nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Just gotta hop it in.
Hold this. He's dropping one way. I hope we didn't break that puppy. Can I get back up once?
Wait, up.
Up. You come back here and stand here. Maybe I'm just seeing things. Okay, take it down.
I don't hope so. I hold it. No, they're both going down. Just fine. This one down nice and even.
There you go. It's jumping, hear that?
Yeah, it's a little rough for some reason. Yeah, just go nice and easy.
Go on the other side now, too.
Yep.
Get down about 3 inches. All right.
So,
What's the matter now?
diesel heater remote fell out of the place.
I take it down. Keep going.
Wait.
Mom's gotta check something.
Okay, I think we're good. Wait.
Ah, you're testing me. Very clever.
Dan corners like this come on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good?
Yep.
Oh,
Yeah.
Perfect.
there you go.
That wasn't too bad at all.
Whew.
Ta-da!
Yeah, that
Magic.
went pretty nicely. Yeah.